Hey there, Taurus! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So, bago natin simulan ng inyong September 2023 reading, reminders that this is not for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel connected ka and you feel the vibe that this reading is for you, then this reading might be really for you. Okay? So, meron tayong new channel for you guys, or kung kayo ay cross-watcher ni Taurus, pwede rin kayo rin mga bees, or kung meron kayong Taurus in your natal or birth chart, you might want to check that out. The channel's name is all about Taurus and the link is in the description box. So, let's see for your September 2023 Taurus. Words in angel, guys. Can you please show me messages for my lovely Taurians right here? Spirit and angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Mga mensahe para sa aking mga lovely Taurians, please. This is for Taurus, please. This is for my bull gang. Let's see. So we have here the tribe. Let's put it here. Also have here the Y. There's this happy. Yeah. And we have here the truth be told. Looks like something here will be clear, or merong mabubunyag sa inyo na truth, or the truth be told right here. Maybe you have this kind of question. Maybe you're questioning about something with the Y right here. And look at that. You're reaching a book, na may wings. So, it's time for you, okay, na malaman ng katotohanan about something. So, truth be told. So, you're reaching here that book kasi meron ka ritong malalaman na something. So, on the month of September, prepare yourself kasi meron na ritong kasagutan sa iyong katanungan. So, yeah. That's very deep. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck, we have the Yin. No place like home, and with the TikTok present right here. So, yeah. Let's get more information from this deck over here. Tell me more for my Taurians for the month of September 2023, please. Okay, chamkaman nyo. Maandar yung table. So, yun nga. Okay. Commercial. Ito yun na nga, adjust pa rin ang aking ring light. Ooh, I think you will have options in love for others of you. At isa sa mga option na yan can lead to marriage. Mukhang matatagpuan mo na ang taong pagkakasalan mo, Taurus, on the month of September. So, yeah, September 2023. And this person over here is 10 of Coins energy. Ooh, jackpot it is. Yeah, diba? Parang kay Ate Raj lang. Ooh! So, I can see that you could probably meet someone here that you can really build a family with. That's what I'm picking up for you, Taurus. See? Oh, yeah, our Eight of Swords energy. Knight of Coins. Six of Swords, Justice. Yeah, it's really the truth. It's honest conversation, communication. It's the answer that you're waiting for. Yeah. Oh, it's a new guy in town. Yeah, or it's a new girl in town, no? Yung naririnig ko rito, no? Narinig, alam mo yung song na, it's a new girl in town, everybody loves you. Yeah. And yeah, we have here someone. who could be your yin. You could be the yang of whoever this person is, but it's already in the past. And there's some kind of a familiarity right here. Look at that. It's both at the bottom of the deck. So someone here is feeling left out by the cold by you. This person has lots of attraction right here, can't get you out sa kanyang isipan. So this person could be thinking about you. Actually, iniisip ka niya bilang no place like home. Okay, there's lots of attraction right here, and with the tick-tock, that's the time. Okay, clock is ticking right here at ayaw niya na rito na umupo lang at maghintay rito sa wala. So, expect some kind of a movement coming from this person because I can see this King of Wands. Tatayo na siya dyan sa kung saan man siya. Okay, naroroon. Okay, so this person right here, this is this person. Okay, right at this very moment. This person is thinking heavily about you, don't know what to do, thinking of heading back to you because there's no place like home. This person sees you as his or her home. So, pwedeng umalis siya rito, no? Dati. Dahil maaring lumipat siya at may inakala siya ritong ibang home. But I can see that this person is coming back right here. Okay? Because there's no place like home. Yun yung sinasabi niya sa akin dito. Okay, I'm sorry about the reflection. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. So, nakikita ko dito, Taurus, someone here is actually thinking about heading back pabalik sa inyo. So, baka siya rin yung may dala-dala rito ng truth na matagal na kayong na-stuck. Actually, siguro tanong ninyo sa isipan ninyo, no, kung ba't kayo iniwan ng isang tao rito, or yung iba, pwedeng hindi naman ito romantically involved, pero basta meron kayo rito tanong na gusto ninyong masagot. I can see that you are about to know the answer. You know, you're touching the book of answer right here. And your angels and spirit guides, it's divine timing already. September is the month na malalaman mo na rito ang katotohanan kung bakit nangyari yung mga bagay na yun. And it will set you free. Babalik na rito unti-unti yung buhay mo. We have here the stability. We have here number 31, and when you add it up 3 plus 1, it's 4. So I can see na muli na dito magbabalik ang balance sa life mo. Dito mo na makikita yung freedom at makakapagsimula ka na ng bago. You will start anew. Okay? Because you will find now the answer to your question marks. Yan, no? Tanong mo na to, matagal mo na itong tanong with this 8 of Swords energy. And, look at that. Goosebumps. Okay? Truth be told, tapos, ang kanyang clarification pa rito ay ang justice. So, ibig sabihin, I can see right here that there is some kind of an honest conversation, a communication where malalaman mo na rito yung truth and nothing but the truth. And whatever it is, it will make you really, really happy. Nakikita na kita rito na makakapagsimula ka na. Ayan, no, nakasakay ka rito no, sa lobo at parang hinahata ka ng mga lobo na ito, no, paakyat, pa-ascend na rito ang mga lives ninyo mga babe, no, pa-ascend na rito. May progress tayo nakikita rito, Taurus. Yan. So, ayan, nag-focus rin sa wakas. So, I can see right here that you will receive some kind of a good news when it comes to your money, coins, and pentacles that will make you really, really happy. Yan na nakikita ko dito. So, I can see you here ascending. So, nakikita ko rito na dahil dito makakapagsimula ka na. Ano man yung tanong mo na yan, masasagot yan on the month of September. Yung iba, pwedeng may kinalaman yun sa love life. Yung iba naman, pwedeng nagtatanong kayo. Ito very specific ka. Meron kayong tanong, pwedeng may kinalaman sa pamilya. Parang kayo to na iniisip ninyo kung bakit pwedeng mag-isa kayo ngayon or kung bakit wala kayong mom or dad, maybe yung iba sa inyo is orphan. So, whatever the case may be, that's very specific. Just take how this resonates. Masasagot na yan lahat. At makakapagsimula ka na rito ng napaka-positibong buhay. I can see you here na meron kang mga makikilala on the month of September. Okay, mga healthy connections with the tribe. I can see you here na meron kang mga friends na meron silang mga ipapakilala sa iyo, mga new friends na magdadala rin sa inyo rito, no? Ng friendship, genuine connection ang nakikita ko sa maaring dagdag sila no, sa iyong mga community right here. So those are healthy friends, no? Hindi ko sila nakikitang pabaya or magiging bad influence sa'yo. So get ready to be more open here socially, okay, sa inyong mga bagong friends dito. No? At hindi lang sila yung mga basta friends. These are the people here na magiging companion at supporter mo talaga. So, sa nakikita ko rito, aside from that, meron ba kayong inaayos rito no, na parang natenga na dokumento or pwede nyo ibakaso or pwede mga papel na inaasikaso tapos parang ang tagal-tagal na walang progreso, hindi umuurong, di umuusad, sa wakas may paggalaw na ng baso. Nakikita ko na siyang umaandar dito, no? Alam ko, natatawa. Ang tagal na kasi dito, no? So, pwede kasi yung iba dito. Ito, wala akong maano sa mga government na mga agencies or mga parang mga establishmento. Pero kasi nakita ko rito ng parang imbes na tapusin yung papers ng mga applicants or mga doesn't have to be na talagang mga trabahante or what. Na parang meron kasi dito mga papeles ganyan, no. Tapos yung mga nag-aasikaso, no, mas gusto pa nila mag-coffee break. Ang haba ng coffee break at magdaldala no, kaysa tapusin yung mga papers na dapat nilang tapusin. So yung sa'yo, natitenga ng natitenga, natatabunan ng tatabunan kasi I can see a very busy establishment. So pwedeng nandoon yung kaso mo, never umusad. Yung mga papel mo, never naasikaso. Kasi yung kung saan nakalagay yon, no, or kung saan nandoon yon na office, ang bagal. Okay? So, nakikita ko rito na may liwanag ang buhay. May pag-usad na. So, sa wakas naman. So, yun nga mga babes. No? Aside from that, in the month of September, I'm seeing you as well with the Knight of Coins energy and there's this Five of Swords. Well, it's been a long time coming, but it's here now. Yan, no? Papasayaw talaga kayo rito. Alam mo ko ba kung sino itong paparating ito nakikita ko dito? Ito lang naman, mga babes, no? Yung taong ilalaban ka. Yan, single. Handa na ba kayong ilaban dito? O babawi kayo? I can see that there is some kind of a soulmate connection of whoever this person is coming in. This is not the type of energy na hanggang friends lang. Kaya ako napapakanta kanina. It is because this is for you singles. Someone here is entering your life and you could meet this person. Okay? That's very significant on the month of September. Okay? Kaya kung sino man tong person na to, no, kung dati hindi ka nailaban ng mga ex mo, no, lalo na to, hindi ka nalaban nito. Eto, may ilalaban to. No, ilalaban ka nito. Nakita tayo dito that this could be somewhat young-looking person or baka young siya sa'yo by age but doesn't have to be masyadong malayo. Okay? So, this one right here could be somewhat also loves children or baka sobra siyang clingy sa kanyang mga pamangkin. Yan nakikita ko rito. Or meron siyang heart for the kids. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. This person is moving really slowly sa'yo kasi sa ngayon, meron pa siyang mga inaayos ditong mga kung ano-ano ritong mga kanyang pinagkakabizihan, no? This person also is dealing with lots of responsibilities right now, but this person is coming in. May paggalaw na rin ng baso rito sa tao na to. This person is coming forward to you. I can see, okay, that this person could be a traveler, might be an adventurous, but doesn't have to be mga babes, no, na into extreme activities. Pero this person right here, I can see na kung nasan man siya, pagtatagpuin na kayo. Especially kung hindi mo pa ito nakikilala. You have this kind of high chance meeting this person on September 2023. Which is ilang kimbot na lang. September na. Okay? I can see you right here that you could probably meet this person. Okay? Maaring dun sa dokumento or sa place ng documents na pinag-aasikasuhan mo, baka siya na yung manghiram ng ballpen sa'yo, diba? Yan. Baka siya na yung makahingi dito na, pwede maka-spray ng alcohol. O kaya, meron ka ba dyang yan, no? So, whatever it is, I can see you here that you will have this encounter here. And for others of you, nauna na, no, na nakilala nyo itong person na to, pero wala pa kayong kaidi-ideya. It's like, it's that first encounter wherein hindi mo talaga siya, like literally, naaakalain na magkakaroon pa kayo ng second encounter or what. Okay? Pwedeng nakita mo lang siya sa grocery, nagkatinginan lang kayo kasi magkasunod kayo sa pila. Parang ganun, no? Or nakita mo lang siya kasi nagkasalubong kayo, di ba? Hindi ba naman kailangan tandaan yung mga nakakasalubong mo dahil hindi ka naman naghahanap dito ng criminal or what? Diba? Pero nakikita ko rito na magkakaroon na kayo ng first encounter and then the second encounter will be pwedeng makilala or pakilala siya sa'yo ng iyong mga tribe or soul tribe right here. So, yeah. As what I'm picking up as well right here, nakakita rin ako dito mga babes, no, ng pag-ascend rito sa inyong healing. Actually, nakikita ko kayo na okay na kayo, no, lalo na dun sa mga taong nanloko at nandehado sa inyo. Pero dito nakikita ko na mas lalo pa kayong magiging okay on the month of September, okay? Kasi nakikita ko dito na nakakapag-focus na kayo, nakikita ko na kayo nakakapag-joke na kayo. Hindi ko sinasabing nakakatawa yung joke ninyo, pero kasi bumabalik na kayo dun sa energy ninyo dati na nagiging masayahin na kayo ulit. Yeah, I can see healing coming towards you on the month of September, and it's a very, very good energy na malalagay sa inyo sa September. So, I can see as well right here that this truth, etong malalaman nyo na truth na to, ay pwedeng manggaling mismo sa tao ni ito. Na nakikita natin dito na sinakop nila yung bottom of the dick. So, ibig sabihin, very significant sila rito magbabalik sa'yo. This could be an ex-person right here. Basta kung sino itong tinuturing kang home. Okay? This could be a past lover. At pwedeng manggaling rin sa kaibigan ninyo or kaibigan mo yung truth or yung balita na ito. Okay? It's an honest conversation and you will hear yung sadyang totoo lang. Okay? At yun naman din yung maihahain sa inyo. Okay? So, I can see you accepting this truth and freeing yourself from whatever it is. I can see you moving forward with your life. At yung iba yung inaasikaso ninyo dito, I can see tagumpay dyan. Ano man yan? Korte, kaso, dokumento, paglipad papunta sa ibang bansa or inaayos yung mga papers para makapag-start ka na dyan sa bago mong trabaho or kung ano man yan, everything is in favor of you. Everything is balanced here. So, you do not need to worry at all. So, whatever the case may be, yeah, I'm seeing that you will be really, really happy like this. Yeah, you will really, really feel happy like this. Okay? Alam mo yung para ka rito, what's that, feather, no, na parang sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam at mararamdaman mo yan on the month of September, yung mas magandang pakiramdam at ikaw to na nakikita ko rito na mai-in love ka. Yung iba nga nakilala nyo na to, no, itong sinasabi ko rito. So, nagkakaroon na rito, magkakaroon talaga rito, mga babes, no, ng movement. Kahit wala kayong gawin. Kasi pwedeng siya yung mag-start nito. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. Kasi sa nakikita ko rito, hindi naman sa pinagtutulakan to sa inyo ni Universe, itong new person na to, no? Or baka nga dumating na to sa inyong life, no? Hindi pa nga lang kayo ganun ka-close. Ang nakikita ko kasi dito, siya ang gagawa ng paraan para maging open ka sa kanya. Yun ang nakikita ko. Kasi I don't know kung paano niyo yung gagawin, pero nakikita ko na kahit wala kang gawin na first move para maging get to know each other kayo, siya na yung gagawa nun. Yeah. And for this past person right here, expect some kind of a bold move because I can see that this person is reaching out. Okay? Pero may pagkaduwag siya. Okay? Nakakasense ako ng ganun. Okay? So, maaaring humingi yan ng tulong sa common friends niya. Please, samahan mo naman ako dun sa ano ka bata? Sumama naman ako kay Taurus, may sasabihin lang ako. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, yun ang mangyayari dito. So, prepare yourself. I can see you meeting a lot of people, a lot of energy on September 2023. You also have good friends coming here. Okay? I can see new connections for you. Those are energies that you can trust. Okay? So, thank you so much, Taurus. Thank you so much. Love and light.